I like that it's a bit of a different concept compared to other B2B exhibitions, let's say, in terms that we're the ones walking around, meeting all the buyers. And one of the things that I really enjoyed is that I met a lot of new companies that I had not met in other, let's say, exhibitions or workshops or B2Bs, which is surprising because we've been working on the Russian market for many, many years.
That it is very much focused to the appointments. We have a good number of appointments in a very short time, which is very important for our job.
Organization of the event is really great, and these 2 days they went smoothly. So it's really something I appreciate, and we had all our meetings planned. I know not half, but I know many contacts met today, but I don't know many as well.
To complete 20 appointments in one day, plus another 20 appointments in the second day, and to find out that the interest for Mexico and for the Caribbean and for our region, it's a possibility in the next couple of years. It's values like gold. So it's really the return of my investment, it's incredible. We'll be here next year. Congratulations for a job well done and everything executed to perfection.